Hi everyone, I'm not sure you can hear me, it's incredibly windy and there's not a lot I can do about it, but this is my new Volvo 940. Hi everyone, so I have tried filming this video outside the car, but it's too windy and you cannot hear anything I'm saying, of course, so we're gonna sit inside. And this is my new Volvo 940. It's a 1998 celebration model, and yeah, it's my new project and daily. So yeah, I've got a whole bunch of plans for this car, but first of all I want to do the cosmetic side of things and then we'll start looking at engine wise, because this is the perfect sleeper. Let's be honest, a turbo brick is a good sleeper and you can fit anything in that engine bay. That engine bay is massive, so I'm going to go through it all with you, show you what it's like currently. And if you're wondering why I got this car, I've always liked big boxes like this. I've always thought estates are sick. And I ride a mountain bike with 29-inch wheels. It's an e-bike, so it's massive and it fits in the back with both wheels on, 29-inch wheels, and it fits in. I don't even need to take the front wheel off, so it's absolutely spot on for what I want. And it's cool, like, it is cool. Obviously, some people are like, why the hell would you want that car? But that's just it. Why do I have to like a certain type of car? This is what I like. I think this is cool. So I'm going to take you along with the project and hopefully it's going to be quite fun because I do have a lot of plans for it. So yeah, this is what's to go. So I'm just going to walk you around the vehicle as it is currently. I love the front of it. I love how mean it looks, especially with that grille. Put some new plates on it as well, the embossed ones. It's actually a blackberry wine colour, but it literally never shows up on camera. I don't know if you can sort of see it there, but it is a lovely colour. Standard wheels, not a fan. It's a 98 celebration model. The paintwork is a bit of a mess. I don't know if you can see, but it needs some TLC. Yep, it's a hearse. I love it. Just fitted some new lights today because they were all smashed. It does have a tow bar which I want to get rid of. I've just put some stickers on it. Again, new plate on the back. All this is a bit of a mess. 942.3 turbo. I think the celebration was standard with roof bars, or that might have been an option. I'm not too sure, but I'll show you inside. It smells lovely and old. So Volvo clearly thought it was a good idea to put these bits of carpet on, really 80s. So this is the interior. Ignore my mount on there. I've just put a seat cover on this one. It does have a bit of a rip there, so I've just put a snap-on seat cover on it. Not the best fitting, but yeah. So it's done 142,000, which isn't that bad for a vehicle of this age, really. I actually really like the steering wheel, proper old school. It came with this Kenwood radio in. It is an automatic. I know people are like, well, why have you got an automatic? But they're hard to come by and I'm using it as a daily, so it kind of makes sense. It's got heated seats, heated rear window and mirrors. So yeah, it's pretty high spec. All the windows are electric as well. The seats are quite nice. Again, they're just standard sort of leather on the edge. And then it's also got these mats, the original Volvo mats. Wasn't focusing. Which are absolutely awful, but I'm going to take them out some point soon. In the back. I'll get in the back and show you. I mean, look at the leg room. The rear seats are actually in really good condition. There's not really any sort of marks on them or anything. This is a little built-in booster seat. They really did think of everything like that. Oh, can't get my down there. But yeah, I'll show you with the seats down as well. These seats come out like this. I know it's a bit manky. I'm taking it to get detailed in the next few days, so I'll be able to show you it once it's been detailed, which I'm really looking forward to. And obviously he's pushed down, and then we've got the boot, which, by the way, I'm nearly 6 foot and I can lie down fully without even bending my legs. So I do plan to sleep in here at one point. I'm not gonna lie. The boot's just a bit knackered, it's really hard to open. So yeah, the boot is a bit manky. It's not been cleaned since I got it. Just a coat and some umbrella and stuff. But yeah, this is where my mountain bike's gonna live. So this is probably gonna get dirty. I need to get something to cover it with. And I'll show you under the hood as well, which is not even on this side. Okay, so this is the engine bay. It's not too bad really. I just had a new radiator by the looks of it. It's the red block engine. You can just see a bit of red. Where is it? Down there. It's not really red anymore, to be honest, but it is the red block engine. We've done a full service on it, so we've done all the belts, the timing belt, I'll show you. That's the timing belt. We've done the aircon belt, the power steering belt, literally all of them down there. We've done oil change. We had to also do the calipers on both fronts because when I took it home I had to call it AA because the brakes stuck on the driver's side. So yeah, that was fun. We've sorted that. So we have done quite a bit to it. It did have a diff leak as well. We've also sorted that, but mechanically it is sound. I mean, it's not that, it's quite a clean engine bay really, it's not bad, and look at all that space. Like, we can fit a 2J in there easy. So I do have some plans to do things mechanically to this car rather than just cosmetics, but also I want some wheels, and we need to get it sitting wider on the back as well, because yeah, that's some arch gap. The rear springs are absolutely massive. So yeah, there's quite a lot to do. But yeah, like I said with the paintwork, it's not the best. Whoever's had it before has not been the most careful with it, and it's got bits everywhere. It's even got a crack on the window screen there. So I've got a bit to do, and like I said, I'm getting it detailed on Monday. It's now Saturday, so I wanted to film this video to show you sort of before and after. It's hard to see in this light, it literally looks perfect, but it's really not. It's because I'm in the shade. There's a chip there, which is upsetting me every time I look at it. It won't focus probably, but yeah. So I just wanted to do this video to show you what it's like now, and then we'll go from there, and hopefully it's quite a fun little project. Yeah, the turbo brick.